Ever look up at the sun and feel its warmth? Now, what if humanity could capture not just a tiny fraction of that energy, but all of it? Imagine a structure so vast it encircles our entire star, harnessing unimaginable power. This isn't just a wild science fiction dream anymore. Today, we're diving into the mind-bending reality of the Dyson Sphere Project and exploring how this audacious concept could become our ultimate sustainable power source. The idea was first popularized by physicist Freeman Dyson in 1960. He wasn't imagining a solid shell, but rather a swarm of orbiting structures like a dense cloud of solar collectors completely surrounding a star. Think of it as the ultimate solar panel array, but on a cosmic scale. The total energy output of the sun is about 384 yottawatts. That's a 3, an 8, and a 4, followed by 22 zeros. For comparison, all of humanity currently uses about 20 terawatts. A Dyson sphere would give us access to nearly 20 billion times more energy than we currently consume. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete redefinition of what's possible. So, how would we even begin to build such a thing? The engineering challenges are, to put it mildly, monumental. First, you need material. A lot of it. We couldn't possibly launch all that mass from Earth. The most economical way would be to dismantle an entire planet, something like Mercury. Its proximity to the sun and its high metal content make it an ideal candidate for raw materials. We'd need fleets of autonomous mining robots to break down the planet and launch the refined materials into solar orbit. These materials would then be assembled by another army of robotic builders into individual collectors or habitats. These collectors, often called Dyson Swarm units, wouldn't be stationary. They would each have their own orbits, carefully managed to avoid collisions and maintain the integrity of the swarm. Each unit would collect solar energy, convert it into a usable form, perhaps beaming it wirelessly via microwaves or lasers to where it's needed, whether that's Earth, Mars, or deep space colonies. The physics of this is mind-boggling, involving orbital mechanics on a scale we've never dealt with before. We'd have to master gravitational balancing acts and interstellar construction, likely powered by the very sphere we're building, a project that bootstraps itself into existence. But the technical side is only half the story. The societal implications are just as staggering. With virtually limitless clean energy, what would our civilization look like? Scarcity of resources could become a thing of the past. We could support a population vastly larger than today's, perhaps living in the orbiting habitats that make up the sphere itself. We could terraform planets, power interstellar travel, and run simulations of entire universes. It would trigger a golden age of prosperity and exploration, unlike anything in human history. Poverty and conflict driven by resource competition could be eliminated. However, there's a flip side. Who controls this ultimate power source? A project of this magnitude would require unprecedented global cooperation, a unity of purpose humanity has never achieved. One nation or corporation controlling the sphere would have a literal stranglehold on the solar system. Would this lead to the greatest tyranny ever known? And what about the ethical questions of dismantling a planet? Even if it's lifeless like Mercury, are we entitled to remake the solar system in our image? This project forces us to confront our deepest questions about our place in the cosmos and the kind of future we want to build. The Dyson Sphere is more than just an engineering project. It's a philosophical one. It represents a major turning point for a civilization, a leap from a planetary species to a stellar one. While we're likely centuries, if not millennia, away from laying the first foundation, the very idea inspires us to think bigger. It pushes the boundaries of our imagination and engineering, reminding us that the solutions to our greatest challenges might just be waiting for us out there, among the stars. What do you think? Is the Dyson Sphere humanity's brilliant future or a dangerous fantasy? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the amazing possibilities of our future.